We all have seen Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner and Beyonce. We all get that awestruck with their figure. How perfect is that hourglass figure? But no, that is not an hourglass figure. Talking about Kim Kardashian's or Kylie Jenner or Beyonce, they have a body type which is called spoon body type. Like there is different body types like apple, inverted triangle, rectangle, hourglass. There is also another very unique body type which is called spoon body type, and in today's video we are going to discuss how to dress for a spoon body type and how to know if you are a spoon body type. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Banhi Shikha. Body type and peer body type both are almost similar, but there is a slight difference which makes it a spoon body type. To identify if you have a spoon body type or not, you need to measure your hip. Your hip should be larger than your bust and they have a shell appearance. You have a defined waist and your lower legs and arms are in shape. As I say, the waist to hip ratio is larger than the regular peer body types, which is usually more than 10 inches or 25 centimeter. So like peer, it is almost similar where the lower body part is heavier than the upper body part. But what is the difference? The main difference is in spoon, upper hip portion is larger than the lower hip portion, which makes a spoon or shelf like structure from behind. That's why we call this body type as a spoon body type. How to style perfectly a spoon body type? Since they have defined waist, emphasize the narrow waist, and since they have smaller compared to the hip portion, smaller bust, then emphasize the bust area, add volume to your shoulder and de-emphasize or reduce the tension in your lower part, that is on the hip area. Key to styling the spoon body shape is to emphasizing the upper body, the bust area and the shoulder area, and de-emphasizing your tummy and your hip area to create a balanced proportion. Don't go for closed up or high necklines. Always go for V-neck or neck that has scoop or crew neck or halter neck, asymmetric neckline. Since you have to emphasize the shoulder part and the bust area as it is not broader, you have to make sure you are choosing the right necklines. Let's talk about tops for these body type. Select tops that flow below your waist but make sure that it does not add volume to your waist. Choose tops like strapless, off shoulder, boat neck, empire waist, cowl neck, bell sleeve, scoop neck. Try to look for tops that has pads on the shoulder or ruffle on the shoulder or puff sleeves. It is off shoulder kind of, because you have to emphasize your shoulder as you have narrower shoulder and narrower bust compared to the hip. You have to wear some tops that can emphasize your shoulder. While selecting dresses, you have to make sure that it is emphasizing your upper body, defining your waist area and does not put much attention to your lower body. If you're wearing mini dress or long dress, anything, make sure it is belted, it has belt at your waist. So look for dresses which are off shoulder, long sleeves, or dresses that has side sleeves, or mini dresses, but do not wear any type of bodycon dresses. Try to avoid wearing bodycon dresses. Dresses that you can look for are princess skirt, empire waist, mid thigh length, A-line, baby doll and strapless. Moving on to pants and jeans for styling spoon body shape. Make sure choosing the right bottom that fits perfectly well. Even if it is not fitting, make sure you tailored it, because it should be fit on your waist perfectly and fit on your hip perfectly. And opt for dark color pants or solid color pants, because dark colors or solid colors do not draw attention much on your lower part. You can keep your attention on your upper body. Pants that goes best for spoon body type are simple, tailored, straight leg and flowy, or trousers. For jeans, don't go for skinny jeans, go for straight leg, wide leg or boyfriend jeans. Types of jeans that goes pretty well for spoon body type are high-waisted, boyfriend, tummy control, straight leg, boot cut, wide leg. Very lucky if you have spoon body shape to wear skirts, because skirts are the best for spoon body shape people, because they can wear any kind of skirts and flaunt it amazingly. Go for skirts which are mini, because you can play sharply with your legs if you have short skirt. Go for skirts which are high-waisted. Skirts with high-waisted create a really good balance. Go for A-line skirt. A-line skirt is simple choice. It's add volume to the hip area. You can also go for tulip skirts. It starts high on your waist and has tapered hemline, allowing you to show off your curvy hips while they emphasizing your top. These type of skirts goes pretty well with your spoon body type. With these skirts, you can try going for monochromatic look, like matching the color of your skirt with the top. Will add volume and also add a prominent look. Also opt for dark colored skirts because that will also add and emphasize the look. Talking about jumpsuit, you can also opt for good jumpsuit for these body type. Make sure you choose jumpsuit that is emphasizing your waist area, means it has belt or some attention on your waist and it has flare on it and has a boot cut at the end of the pant. Don't choose any kind of jumpsuits that is very clingy to your body or like bodycon or has skinny pants. What jackets fits well for spoon body shape? Jackets like shoulder details, waist defining, long cardigans, trench coat and princess skirt goes really well. So if you can see from all these example of jackets, all these jackets are emphasizing on the upper body or the waist area and trying to de-emphasize the lower part so that the attention does not go on the lower part. Choosing the perfect swimwear, you should wear bold top and minimalistic bottom. You should always go for a monochromatic color, monochromatic look, but if you want to go with bold colors, go for darker colors when you're choosing the bottom. Don't go for bold prints or lighter colors. Scooped and deep bottoms can be a great delusion for narrower hips. Some best options for swimwear are patterned ruffles, dark high-waisted, empire waist, tanky knee, strapless, retro pinup. Lastly, we're going to talk about accessories and shoes, what accessorize and how to accessorize when you're a spoon body type, and also what shoes to wear when you're a spoon body type. For accessorizing, since you are focusing on the upper part of your body and wearing top which has v-neck or deep cut, something like that, wear statement necklaces or statement earrings, something statement jewelries to give more focus on the upper body. You can also opt for shapewear, perfect shapewears, because whenever you're wearing a dress or skirt or anything fitted, make sure you wear a shapewear to give you that defined shape and so that the dress or the skirt fits you perfectly. For shoes, it is best for using pointed toe shoes or wedges. That's it guys, that's the end of today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you are a spoon body shape or not and if this video has helped you or not. If you don't know how to measure your body type, there is a video which will come up after this. You can check that out. Also, there is a proper playlist where I have defined all apple, rectangle and inverted body type, how to dress better. You can watch those playlists as well. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay fashionable.